back to a new video. Currently on the way to Stoke-on-Trent for the WOR Enduro pay and play at a sand and pebble quarry. Never been there before. It's not usually the thing I do. I'm usually a motocross racer, but switching over to Enduro, give that a go, see how we get on. But yeah, enjoy the video, get some aerial shots for you, and yeah, let's go. Here. Looks pretty cool, to be fair. The playground for today looks pretty cool, to be fair. And it goes up into the mountains over there, across all the way to the back there. Looks quite a relatively big track. Certainly not what I'm used to anyway. Hello mate, is it Sessions, do you know? Right? Is it Sessions?
No, just straight out.
Is it? And where'd you get on? Just further up there?
Yeah, just as you came in the roadway.
Where the Orange Marshal is?
Orange Marshal is.
Sound,
yeah,
mate.
you can ride just walking pace up.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Sound, mate. Appreciate that. Cheers, fella. Right, let's go. First proper ride of 2025. Come on, mate.
Take your time, you have to know where you're going.
Yeah.
The arrows. Follow the orange arrows.
It's all, bud. You just got to take it super easy. Oh, that front end is twitchy. Front end is very twitchy. Might have to stiffen up the front end. But yeah, I'm just going to take my time, because that front end is not nice. Oh, let's see that. Let's see that. Oh, yeah. Just nothing that I'm used to. Nothing that I'm used to. This. That's why. Oh, there's people stuck on the hill. Oh, it looks slippy. Who made it?
I do apologise if it looks like I'm going in slow motion, but I'm just trying to build some confidence. Because last time I went out trying to do a bit of green laning, came off and knackered my knee, so. Holy shit. Need to be stood up there. Yeah, I've got no confidence in the front end at the minute. Chokers now. Just checking. The idle's quite high, so I'm wondering whether we choked on. No, it's not. You mofo. Bloody hell. It's hard to work out where you gotta go. First lap done, a very shoddy one, but not confident on the front end, so I've just had some suspension done. I'm going to speak to the lad who did it, just to give me some tips. Just every time I stand up or a slight bit of brake, I get it slippy, but there's just a bit of a twitch, it does twitch. So we'll see what he says. So I've done a few laps now around the track. Track's really good, starting to get more technical. The ruts are getting deeper, some of the climbs are getting a bit more tricky because the rocks are getting more exposed.
so it's getting a bit slippy for people. Some of the younger kids are struggling a bit and getting stuck, but overall it's good. A lot of helpers out there helping people get up the hills and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm enjoying it, and yeah, get out and do a few more laps.
Oh, getting a bit chilly now, people. Getting a bit bloody chilly. So yeah, I've got a race meeting here tomorrow, but I'm actually going to Hawkstone Park International to watch the race in there. So the next meeting to round 3 of the winter series for the WOR Enduro, I am tempted to do. So if you do give us a like and a subscribe, you get notifications of videos that come out. That's a beautiful bit of kit. I'd like to crack on, mate.
You doing now?
Yeah, sound, mate. Fucking hell. That's my first WOR Enduro event done. Pebble and sand and pebble track in Stoke-on-Trent. Really good day. Got some good aerial footage, as you can see in the video. Stayed on today, which is a massive rarity, but I enjoyed it, kept it steady, kept it safe, kept it very, very slow, as you can see, but it is what it is. If you stayed this long, I do really appreciate it. Give us a like, comment, please subscribe. It will just help my channel. And if you turn off on the notification bell, you'll get notifications of my next event. And I'm looking at doing, in a couple of weeks' time, the WOR Enduro Round 3 Winter Series, which I think is in Corny Bay or something like that. Corny Green. I think it's in Corny Green or something like that. But yeah, I'm looking to actually race there. Thanks again for watching. Much appreciated. See you later.